Improve subplot size/spacing with mini subplots. I need to generate a whole bunch of vertically stacked plots in matplotlib. The result will be saved using savefig and viewed on a web page, so I don't care how tall the final image is, as long as the subplots are spaced so they don't overlap. No matter how big I allow the figure to be, the subplots always seem to overlap. My code currently looks like
Please review matplotlib, tight layout guide and try using matplotlib.subplot.tight_layout, or matplotlib.figure.figure.tight_layout. As a quick example, without tight layout, with tight layout,
you can use plt.subplots_adjust to change the spacing between the subplots. Call signature. The parameter meanings, and suggested defaults, are the actual defaults are controlled by the RC file.
Using subplots_adjust space equals 0 or a very small number, space equals 0.001, will completely remove the white space between the subplots, whereas a space equals none does not. Space equals 0 or space equals 0.001. Space equals none.
Similar to tight_layout, matplotlib now, as a version 2.2, provides constrained_layout. In contrast to tight_layout, which may be called any time in the code for a single optimized layout, constrained_layout is a property, which may be active and will optimize the layout before every drawing step. Hence it needs to be activated before or during subplot creation, such as figure constrained_layout equals true or subplots constrained_layout equals true. Example: constrained_layout may as well be set via params. See the What's New entry in the Constrained Layout Guide.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.